we're talking about how you can use social media. Remember, I spoke about content marketing. Now you're like, okay, Emmanuel, you told me about how to post on, using the social media planner. You told me I can use ChatGPT to write a blog. Now you're like, hey, okay, so Emmanuel, how can I actually use social media to grow my presence, right? What should I be posting? Listen, I'm going to say this. Reels and stories, 100%. You should be posting reels and you should be posting stories. Reason why is this. You have to understand, like, I used to joke around and I tell people this. Instagram is a giant dating site. 100% it's a giant dating site. But it is also a very good promotional site. Okay? Because guess what? If your product is, let's say your customers are females, right? You attract to women. You advertise to females. I want you to understand, Instagram has a very, very dense and high population of female audience, right? So which means your product will sell. Instagram and Pinterest, these are promotional tools. What should you be doing? You need to be posting reels and stories. And let's say you're like, well, Emmanuel, what should I use as a creative? The words, okay, ChatGPT writes the words for me, but I don't like to take pictures of myself because, I didn't do my hair today, or, I'm, the sun it's gloomy and I just woke out of bed and I don't like the place, or I'm in, India or I'm in America, whatever it is. Go to canva.com, okay? Go to canva.com. When you go to canva.com, all you have to do is pretty simple, is click create new post, create a new design, all right? Create a new design, and then what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create Instagram. Create an Instagram post square, right? And then you can use this to write Facebook captions, all right? You pick a template, all right? All you have to do is come up here. We're going to come up here and we're going to pick a template, all right? And let's use something catchy. Let's say transportation. Okay? Boom, we have an Instagram post. We have something you can use. It's logical, right? And then you can come up here and use something simple, I'd say, to get people's right here. Boom. I like this one. This kind of looks a little bit more. And then you come up here to photos, and we're doing what do you call it? What was it again? We're doing transportation, mobile home. And then all we have to do is come up here, take a picture, replace the background, and then we put here transport your home. Alright, transport your home with peace of mind. Alright, and then come up here and put your phone number, right? Boom. Download. Compress file quality. And once you're done with that, I can come back to ChatGPT and say, write me an Instagram caption for a photo about mobile. Okay, and then, boom, there you go. It's writing home sweet mobile home, making dreams come true, one move at a time, and blah blah blah. See, it's already done. I come up here, I copy this, I've downloaded my image, I literally come up here, and I can just go ahead and delete this. Actually, let's go ahead and create it. And on the Instagram, actually, let's use this. I'm gonna remove this because I'm not posting this. And I paste that, I click here, and I can add my image. Boom, there you go. We have an Instagram post, right? And then you can actually literally create and schedule. The good thing here is you can schedule your content. Come up here and you can schedule your posts as to when you want that post to be delivered. Same thing for LinkedIn. You literally don't even have to do that much anymore, but you have to stay top of mind. You have to keep dropping content. People need to know who you are. And the same thing for you to make YouTube videos. Simple. Pick up your cell phone. Pick up your phone and be like, hey, hi, today, so we just helped Joe Schmo move his mobile home, and now I can do the same thing for you. For a limited time, we are offering a free guide, a free checklist, right? Now, I'm going to talk about the next thing I want to talk about here, which is going to be very, very important, right? Which is going to be very, very important. I'm going to talk about in the next part of the video. Stay tuned, because number 3, I'm going to be covering lead magnets that you can use starting immediately to go ahead and generate leads, okay? Because you need more leads in your business. But that's basically utilizing social media. Stay relevant, stay top of mind, keep dropping content, and that's pretty much what I have for you guys. And make sure you stay tuned and sub to the channel for when strategy 3 comes out as to how to actually